If you're looking for a storage cabinet, builders have a wide range of flat pack options to choose from. They're strong, affordable, and best of all, they're flat pack, so you can get them home really easily. They've been designed to be strong, functional, and easy to assemble. Now this is the HK Fogo 4-cube cabinet. To assemble this unit, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver and a hammer. First things first, we need to follow the diagram and install all the hardware. So the long wooden dowels go through the 8mm holes in the center shelf, short dowels in the dividers, magnets tabs mounted inside the doors, magnets on the dividers, and the feet can be installed under the base. Then the hinge pins can be installed on the top shelf and base. Now when assembling these units, it's often a lot easier to assemble them on their back. That way you can hold everything together while you put in the screws. Start by assembling the inside section. So the two dividers are located onto the shelf with the dowels. Next, hold the top door with the handle cut out on the inside and locate the hinge pins while putting the top panel into place. Do the same thing for the base and bottom door. Just remember these panels aren't yet secured, so be careful. Now we can carefully put the side panels into place and secure them with the longer screws. This will hold the unit together securely. For the back panel, flip the unit onto its face and lay the backing boards over the unit. Join them with the connector strips and secure them with the nails. Then to finish off, use the vinyl stickers to hide the screws. Really easy, and our cabinet is done. Now this is just one of the flat packs available at Builders. In store, or you could shop online at builders.co.za. And for more videos like this, visit the blog on the website. Get to Builders, get it done.